A simple glance at the Kondor Touchless in-bay automatic with 1 and 2 arm models reveals its innovative design and groundbreaking features. With patented active site marketing featuring 6 different colors of brilliant LED lights, Kondor attracts customers from the street, guides them through the wash, and keeps them coming back. Let the adaptable and dependable Kondor redefine your car wash business with a package that fits practically any bay and satisfies your budget. Kondor sets your business apart with its engaging 6 flashing LED colors that attract customers into your bay around the clock. We call this active site marketing, and you'll call it a profit booster. Reinforce your site marketing with available LED dry light dryers that turn your exit into a beacon to promote your wash 24/7 while optimizing your profitability. Kondor's available LED navigational system with green, blue, and red lights visually communicate to your customers when to pull forward, back up, and stop. This enables your customer to achieve proper positioning, facilitating faster loading and increased throughput. Every Kondor delivers up to 1200 psi of high-pressure cleaning power to enhance your cleaning performance. Kondor's solution delivery options can provide base pre-soak and wax using either injectors or chemical pumps. Other application options include triple foam, spot-free rinse, additional waxes, and bug spray in order to maximize revenue opportunities. The Kondor's flexible wash package programming lets you customize your menu packages to satisfy the cleaning requirements of seasonal weather conditions. Kondor is engineered and designed to provide easy maintenance and durability, so you get the most out of your machine for the long run. Maximize your uptime with Kondor's breakaway arms that automatically reset themselves. And with Kondor's remote access feature, any car wash programming changes that can be done on an operator console can be done from a PC or a mobile device anywhere in the world. Every Kondor purchase is backed by Belanger and its network of trained distributors and technicians. We invite you to explore how the Kondor can maximize your wash's profitability while minimizing your investment risk.